of this exercise is to combine like terms. So let's see what we have here. We have c minus 7c plus 2c. And when you see a variable by itself like this, remember there's kind of a hidden 1 in front of it here. 1c is the same as c, so we usually don't write the 1, but there's actually a 1 hanging out in front of it there. Well, here these are all like terms. We're combining like terms. Okay, combine like terms is what this method is called, and it just means all the terms with c's in them get combined. So we have 1c minus 7c is negative 6, plus 2c is negative 4c. So not much is going on when all the terms are like terms. Let's try one a little different here. Oops. Bring that down. Okay, so let's try this one. We have 6g plus 5 minus 3g minus 7. Okay, so now these aren't all like terms. There's some differences here. So what we do in this situation is we take the terms with the g's in them, those get combined together, and the constant terms get combined with each other. The constant ones are the ones without the g's in them. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have 6g minus 3g plus 5 minus 7. Okay, 6g minus 3g is 3g. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So 3g minus 2 for that one. And this step that I did here is extra. It might help to do that for a while, but it's not crucial to do that step. Oftentimes you'll be able to see that and do this without doing this extra step. Okay, oops, drop that in here. Okay, let's try this example. Okay, we have 8h plus 13h minus 6 plus 7h minus h. Alright, getting a little more complicated, but no big deal. Again, there's no coefficient in front of this h here, so remember that's just a 1 hanging out there. Alright, same thing. We combine all the variables with h's in them. So we have an h here, 8h, 13h, 7h, and 1h get put together. And then we have this minus 6. That doesn't really combine with anything. It's just going to be on its own. Alright, so let's do our h's. Let's rearrange first here. Let's see. So 8h plus 13h plus 7h minus 1h. And then this minus 6 is out to the side. Okay. So 8h plus 13h plus 7h is 28h. Minus 1h is 27h. Minus 6. And we wouldn't want to try to combine these any further because these are not like terms. So we can't somehow combine these and get 21h or something. Those are not like terms. Okay. Let's try one with some decimals. Every once in a while you'll get decimals in this situation. Nothing to worry about. Let's see what happens here. Let's see here. So here's some decimals. We have 0.4y minus 6.7 plus y minus 0.3 minus 2.6y. I'm going to sneak in this 1 right here in front of this y. And let's combine like terms. So all the terms with y in them get grouped together. And the ones without y in them get grouped together. These constants with no y's in them. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it. You don't have to. You can jump maybe right to the answer. You might have to use a calculator for this. 0.4y plus 1y minus 2.6y. Alright, so that's all the y's. Then off to the side here I have minus 6.7 minus 0.3. Okay, so here with these y's, again, you might have to use a calculator. Maybe you can do it in your head. I recommend trying to do it in your head. You don't want to be overly reliant on calculators, but it's okay if you need a calculator for this bit. Okay, 0.4 plus 1 is 1.4. Minus 2.6 is negative 1.2y. Minus 6.7 minus 0.3 is minus 7. So negative 1.2y minus 7. There we go. Okay, so now here's one for you to try. Give this a shot. You've seen a couple of these worked out. So try one on your own here. Oops. It's right there. Let's bring this down. Okay. Here we go. So this one is for you to try. 7.9y minus 0.7 minus y plus 0.2. Pause the video and try that on your own. Okay, let's do it together. We have 7.9y minus y, remember there's a 1 hanging out in front of that, minus 0.7 plus 0.2. 6.9y minus 0.5. There we go. Hopefully that's what you got. If not, try it again, see where you went wrong, and should be okay next time.